Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen the Garuda boot options app of the Garuda welcome app. So now in this video we are going to check out the system cleaner. So let us start. Here also you have to input your password. So I think first it will update itself. It is installing one package called Stacer. Now it is checking for the pack new and the pack save files. So the Stacer is nothing but the Linux, but it was there. Just a moment. Okay, so let us do it while we check out this app. So here it is a kind of monitoring dashboard is there. So here you can monitor the dashboard. For example, it will show you the CPU usage, it will show you the memory usage. So right now the system is using around 2.2 GB memory out of the 3.8 GB allocated to the virtual machine. 18.1 GB has been consumed out of the 51.6 GB allocated to this virtual machine. You can see it here. The system info is also shown. There is upload and download speeds. Then if you click here, it will show the startup apps, which applications are configured for the startup. So whenever we start the system, this app will start. So you can toggle this on and off. So I will toggle it on. You can add further applications. For example, any app, you should know the name. So you can check it from the menu, and you can add the any application of your choice from the menu here. And you can also write some comments and give the command, some user specific commands to the application startup. This is the cleaning. So you can clean the package caches, you can clean the crash reports, you can clean the application logs, you can clean the application caches, and you can clean the trash can. So let us select all. Let us see what happens. And now you have to search. If the search finds any files that can be cleaned, those will be cleaned. So let us wait for the search to complete. Okay, so here you can see package cache is now almost 3.4 GB. Application logs around 39.3 MB, and application caches is around 33.9 MB. So we can select any one or any, or we can select all and clean those. So what I will do is, let us clean the package caches amounting to around 3.4 GB. Again, you have to input your password. You have to always read the system messages before you proceed ahead. So it is very instant. 3.4 GB package cache is cleaned. Next is the search function. So you can search, I think, for different files from here, and it will show the file path, the size of the file, created by which user, that will also be shown, and the file creation time will be shown here. And this is the system services. So you can see here the different system services that are right now either working or either disabled, enabled, everything it will show. So this is start. This is what is this startup at boot. If you want, you can directly do it from here, or you can go to the first tab on the dashboard also you can do, but this is better to do it from here. For example, if I want the accounts daemon to start at the system startup, I will just click it here, input my password, and you see it will be started every time the system is started, and you can check it out here where it was. Yes, Garuda welcome. And it will, next time if you restart this application, that application that we configured for the automatic startup will come up here in the startup application. So there will be another application here, that is the accounts daemon will be added over to here in this. At the bottom of the Garuda welcome, the accounts daemon will also be shown. I'll just or if you want, I will just keep it like that only. You can see these are the different applications, system application, system services, and you can start any or all of them as per your needs. And what is this? So either are they running now? So that will be shown here. And are they going to start at the system startup, or you can specify to start at system startup from here, and whether the application is running, you have to see it from here. And you can check out the enabled applications and the disabled applications for the system startup status, so that you can check it out from here. And here you can check out the running status of any application, whether it is running in the memory or not running in the memory. So that's it. Now next is the processes. So these are the different system processes. There will be some user processes also, you can see here. So these are all processes running with the different PID, that is the process IDs, and they are all user processes. You can see here the username is also given, so they are connected to the username. So whenever I will log in into this SAM, and so all these related processes will start. And what these processes are, so processes name is given, so the process name is there with the file path also, so you can easily recognize that process. And you can select and end any process if you want. For example, this you have to just press here, just like in Windows, you can close any process, terminate any process from here. Next is the different packages. So you can uninstall any given package. So these are all the packages available in the system, installed on the system, and you can select it from here and uninstall. For example, if you want, I can select the zip package and just click here, that will uninstall the zip package. So it's very easy to uninstall any package. Suppose there are some any issues with any package, or it is giving this, what we can say, conflicts during the updates, you can single out that package and you can search and remove that package from here. Don't do it. It mostly user packages can be uninstall like this. Don't try to uninstall system packages like this, because that will create many dependency issues during the next update. So system packages can easily be removed like this if they are creating trouble to you. That's it. So you have to just click once. And what is this? So this is the resource usage. You can see it here. CPU resource usage is there. The history of the CPU load averages is there. History of read write on the hard disk is there. History of memory is there. History of network is there. And the file system usage is shown here. You can see the pie chart here. So the temp folder, or the temp folder is using this much memory. This is, what is this? This temp, and what is this? This is the root folder. So it is using 14.17% allocated to it out of the 51.6 GB. This is /root. You can see it here. This is a root partition. This is the log. This is the cache, var cache of system, and this is the home. So home partition is using 14.17% out of the 51.6 GB allocated to the root partition. So like this you have to do. Then what is this? So this is the host management. You have to manage your IP address from here, and the loopback interface is shown here. You can see it here. And this is to configure the settings of stacer. So here you can select the language, you can select the disk. So you can change the disk, you can change the mounts, not just disk, you can change any mounts and then analyze the mount in Stacer. And you can specify the start page. If you want the start page to show first startup apps, you can do that. If you want the system cleaner to be shown on the start page, you can do that. So the status start page will change either from the default dashboard to the system cleaner, search services. Any of this can be specified or configured to shown on first when we start the Spacer application or the system cleaning application. And you can see here the version of Spacer is 1.1.0. So on this note, I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more application of Garuda Linux. Bye bye.